Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base trick so you can earn much more cryptocurrency from that trick. That trick I use Solana because I have much more Solana with that trick. You can use any cryptocurrency with that trick, but you need much more cryptocurrency for that. Okay, I go to multiple, I go to these. Okay, this trick is 100% safe. I use Solana, okay, because I have this much amount of Solana in here. I come in manual beat, not in automatically beat or advanced beat. In manual beat, I use the minimum amount of the beat is 100. Okay, I change the payout in 2.3 and I just start beating. You can see this is my amount. This is the beat high, beat low. Okay, I click beat low, I lose. I just click 2x and click beat high, I win. I just click min again, the minimum amount. I come back in the first amount. I just click beat. If I lose, I just click X, and right now you can see I win. I just click minimum, click, I lose, I click 2x, beat, I win again, and I just click min. I use this trick. If I win, I didn't multiple. Okay, I lose with this time, click 2x, click I lose, 2x, I lose again, click 2x, I lose again, click 2x, and then beat again. I win this much amount. I just click min again, beat. Okay, I lose, click 2x, beat, and I win again. I just click minimum. Okay, I do this trick for randomly number. I just click 2x, 2x, okay, 2x and beating, 2x again, 2x again, 2x again, 2x again, and you can see the beating amount and the winning amount. Okay, I can win much more amount with this trick. Okay, and I use this trick for my own because this is manually, and you can see a lot of amount. This is for yesterday, this is for right now. I use this trick that I make much more amount. Okay, maybe you're participating in the contest with this trick. Okay, I come back in here. I just use this trick to 7 o'clock, and then I come back to show you how much Solana I win this trick. Okay guys, and now I come back after 1 hour. I didn't work 1 hour fully 1 hour. I just working half of hour because I have later with at my own work, or I go outside. And this much BTC I bit with this trick. Okay, this is not too much, but it's great. I didn't lose anything. I just earned the Satoshi. I just beating from this trick. I earned a lot of Satoshi of Solana. You can use this trick for Tether, USDT, or Torin, and dogecoin is better. This three cryptocurrency is more better than Solana. You can use it. I use with Tether 2. I use with the USD2. I will share with you another video about this two cryptocurrency too. And then thanks for watching, guys. And this trick is one of the best trick. I just show you much more trick like this, and in order to beat you lose 99% time. Okay, with this trick you didn't lose the 99% time, you just choose with your own luck, and you just put amount of the payout 2.3 or 2.4. I just put 2.3. It's great. Okay, 130 Satoshi I earn, and I can beat much more. You can earn much more. Okay, and you can use any cryptocurrency you want. It's your own money. You can use it like Litecoin. The minimum amount for Litecoin is 50 Satoshi, and the minimum amount for Bitcoin is a 5 Satoshi, and minimum amount for dogecoin is 1000 Satoshi. Okay, that's great for the beginners. They can start with 1000 Satoshi if they have two dogecoin. If you have two dogecoin in your balance, you can use this trick with two dogecoin with 1000 Satoshi amount of the BT. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you use Tether, you need to have $1 and using 1000 Satoshi for starting. Okay, $1 is the minimum amount of recommended. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.